the University Staff, Academic Staff Union WASU, and Kenya Universities Staff Union have jointly convened this meeting to restate categorically that the strike continues unabated. Since the saga about the 2017-2021 CBA started, the state, the public universities councils, and the vice chancellors of public universities have exhibited gross dishonesty, gross unfairness, gross injustice, and their conducts have hitherto lacked credibility. That doesn't augur well for the nation in general and public universities in particular. We went on strike to demand, as it were, the complete negotiations of the CBA 2017-2021.
WASU clarifies that no one has authority to tell university workers to report back to work except the union through the Secretary General. The union asked members to stay the course of fighting for the dignity of dons. The strike is fully on until the 2017-2021 CBA is negotiated, signed, registered, implemented, and money banked in our members' accounts.
KUSU members within the University of Nairobi, together with their colleagues in all other 30 universities that we have in this country, they are fully on strike, and they will strike in the best way they know. And they must do this because IPUCCF, or if you like, the universities and the government itself, have not given a counter proposal to the 2017-2021 CBA proposal that we gave them.